Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am drawing the winner for the March-April 2024 Double Click Connect Challenge. I would like to thank you all so very much that have entered my challenge. Before I draw a winner, let's go ahead to the current challenge that's happening right now, which is the May-June 2024. The challenge is running from May 1st until June 30th, 2024, and the theme is summertime, anything summer related. And the prize is a baggie of dewdrops. Here is the new release. We have these really fun summer colors. I think they're so pretty. And I've already been crafting with these colors. They're perfect for summer. Here are the entries for March and April. Thank you so much for entering my challenge, and this is the prize for the March-April challenge. I have my random.org pulled up here, and let's see, we have 11 entries. So we have 1 through 11, and we're going to hit generate, and that number is 5. And that winner is Marissa, the Fun Size Crafter. She is on Instagram. Congratulations, Marissa. Thank you so much for your support every single month. I have your address. Just leave me a comment down below and I will send these out in the mail to you. Thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel and have a great day. Bye, guys.